Chichén Itzá, the ancient city that predicted the universe. Deep in the jungles of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula lies a stone city built with such precision and mystery. It continues to baffle scientists and captivate travelers thousands of years later. Chichén Itzá wasn't just a city, it was a living observatory, a ceremonial heart, and perhaps one of the most mathematically sophisticated societies of the ancient world. But how did an ancient civilization with no metal tools, no wheels, and no modern instruments create a city aligned with the cosmos? Why did they build a temple that makes a serpent appear from shadows only twice a year? And how is Chichén Itzá helping us understand ancient science and our place in the universe? Let's dive into the secrets of Chichén Itzá, and by the end of this video, you might never look at history, math, or even time the same way again. The rise of Chichén Itzá. Chichén Itzá was once one of the most powerful and influential cities of the Mayan civilization. Reaching its peak around the 10th century CE, its name means at the mouth of the well of the Itza, referring to the nearby cenotes, natural sinkholes the Maya considered sacred. At its height, the city was a melting pot of cultures. It absorbed influences from distant parts of Mesoamerica, including the Toltecs, creating a hybrid society that was rich in art, architecture, and religion. The city wasn't just a political or religious center, it was a scientific marvel. Its buildings were constructed with an understanding of astronomy and acoustics that seems ahead of its time. A temple aligned with the stars. The most iconic structure in Chichén Itzá is the Temple of Kukulkan, also known as El Castillo. At first glance, it's a massive step pyramid, but a closer look reveals a calendar carved in stone. There are 91 steps on each of the pyramid's 4 sides, and when you add the platform at the top, you get 365, the number of days in a solar year. Coincidence? Hardly. Twice a year, during the spring and fall equinoxes, something incredible happens. As the sun sets, the pyramid casts a series of triangular shadows on its staircase, creating the illusion of a serpent. Kukulkan, slithering down the side of the temple. This light and shadow show isn't accidental. It's a result of precise architectural planning, showing the Maya's deep understanding of solar patterns. Mathematics and measurement in stone. Chichén Itzá reflects a society that mastered math, geometry, and engineering. The city's layout, angles, and spacing were carefully planned to reflect astronomical cycles and religious beliefs. The Maya used a base 20 numbering system and were among the first civilizations to use the concept of zero. They developed complex calendars that could track celestial events with impressive accuracy, some say even more accurate than the Gregorian calendar used today. The pyramid's design also encodes the solar zenith passage, when the sun passes directly overhead at noon, by eliminating shadows at a specific time of year. This event was crucial for agricultural planning and marked important ceremonial days. Acoustic marvels and eerie echoes. There's more. When you clap your hands at the base of El Castillo, the echo mimics the chirp of a quetzal, a bird sacred to the Maya. Scientists studying the acoustics of the site have confirmed that the effect is no accident. It was likely engineered as part of ritual ceremonies. Similarly, in the ball court, the largest in Mesoamerica, you can stand at one end and hear someone whispering from over 500 feet away. The walls were shaped to amplify and carry sound. These acoustic features suggest that Maya architects didn't just build for structure, they built for experience. The Cenote of Sacrifice. One of the city's most haunting features is the sacred cenote. Archaeological dives have recovered gold, jade, pottery, and human remains from its depths. The cenote was believed to be a portal to the underworld, and offerings, including human sacrifices, were made to appease the gods. While this aspect of Maya culture can seem grim, it reveals the spiritual weight the Maya placed on water, astronomy, and cycles of life and death. Debunking myths. There's a persistent myth that Chichén Itzá must have been built with help from aliens or lost advanced civilizations. Why? Because people struggle to believe that ancient humans could achieve such precision. But modern archaeology has revealed clear evidence of how the Maya developed their knowledge, through observation, oral history, trial and error, and relentless innovation. They didn't need extraterrestrial blueprints, they had centuries of accumulated human genius, passed down through generations. The real mystery isn't whether aliens helped, it's how we've underestimated the intellectual power of ancient people for so long. Why Chichén Itzá matters today. Understanding Chichén Itzá isn't just about admiring ancient architecture. It's about recognizing the incredible scientific and cultural legacy of the Maya. Their calendars, math, and engineering continue to inspire researchers, architects, and historians. More importantly, it challenges the idea that technological advancement is the only measure of civilization. Chichén Itzá shows that human curiosity, creativity, and reverence for the cosmos are timeless traits, and we still have much to learn from them. Risks and preservation. Like many archaeological sites, Chichén Itzá faces environmental threats. Erosion, climate change, and tourism all put strain on the ancient structures. Preserving the site is not just about protecting stones, it's about protecting a window into humanity's shared past. Sustainable tourism, cultural respect, and continued research are crucial for ensuring that future generations can experience the wonder of this ancient city. Fun facts. The Temple of Kukulkan was voted one of the new 7 wonders of the world in 2007, alongside landmarks like the Great Wall of China and Machu Picchu. The name Kukulkan means feathered serpent. It refers to a god who appears in Mayan mythology and is closely linked to the Aztec god Quetzalcoatl. Conclusion: what will you discover? Chichén Itzá isn't just a place frozen in time, it's a reminder of what humans can achieve with patience, precision, and passion for the stars. Whether you're into history, science, or mythology, there's something in Chichén Itzá that speaks to your curiosity. So next time you look up at the night sky, think about the people who built entire cities to track those same stars. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to NeuralNet Academy, and drop a comment below with your favorite ancient wonder, or suggest the next one we should explore. Let's keep the adventure going, one mystery at a time.